Hi, my name is Amanda from My Office Books. I thought it'd be nice to do a video to introduce myself to you and also to answer a couple of questions that you might have on your mind. The first one might be, why would I choose My Office Books over any other bookkeeping agency out there? The main one is I understand how it is to own a business, not just from the point of view as a bookkeeper, but also from a trade person. You see, I married my husband 20 years ago and he had an electrical contracting company which he still owns. I had a huge reality check when, one, we only had a 5-day honeymoon because that was all the time he could take off. And two, he was always on the phone. If it wasn't dealing with staff, dealing with customers, suppliers, and jobs, it was some other kind of phone call. Now, you might be a tradie having a chuckle at my husband spending his honeymoon, or maybe that's how you've spent yours. I don't know. But we all know that when you are in business, you live and breathe it. Added to this, it wasn't that long after I'd married my husband, I found out that he had spent $40,000 helping a buddy out to start him up in his own pest control and carpet cleaning business. Sadly, due to a very difficult divorce, he had an emotional and a mental breakdown. So starry-eyed and youngly married, I said, you know what, I can step up. I can be a pest controller and carpet cleaner. And so I became one of the first female Queensland pest controllers at that time. So what does this tell you? I understand uniquely your pain. I understand what it's like not to have enough cash flow because customers aren't paying you. I understand intimately what it is, what makes you stay up at night, the concerns you have. And I also know what it's like to be working all day and then have to come home and do your bookkeeping, whether it be invoicing customers or following up on late invoices or paying the bills. This is why My Office Books is a great choice for you if you're a tradesperson or you're in real estate investing. Because I love real estate and I do a lot of investing myself. So what can we offer you as a bookkeeping company? We're able to offer you several different advantages. The first one is we help you get back your time. Now, if you are turning over a low amount per year or a startup, there's no need to have an expensive bookkeeping bill every month. I can offer you how to set up and also train you to automate your compliance so that you don't have to stay up many hours after you get home from work or spend the weekends doing book work instead of spending it with your wife or your kids. The next point is I'm able to understand how I can look at your profit and loss and say to you what it is you want to achieve. So rather than just popping out a whole lot of reports, I'm happy to sit down with you and say, okay, what are your 3 goals that you want to achieve this financial year? And then I help you stay accountable. And I do this through looking at your profit and loss, looking at how you're progressing in the profit margins of your business and how well you're attaining to those goals throughout the year. And the last one is empathy, but empathy on an intimate level. Because I have been in business and my husband's been an electrical contractor for 40 years, you have the benefit of 60 years of business experience between the two of us. This can be so beneficial for you if you want to expand your business and yet no one in your family or any of your mates understand what it is you're going through, because we do. So in conclusion, why Xero? Xero is a fantastic online accounting program where you can use anytime, anywhere. One real estate investor had quite a large portfolio, was spending a lot of time doing the physical data entry with a desktop software. Once we were able to convert him over to MyOb and also Receipt Bank, I should say she ended up saving herself 60 hours a month in data entry and bank reconciliation. Now just think about that. 60 hours a month equates to 15 hours a week, which means you effectively save 2 days of will that particular customer save 2 days a week? What would you do with 2 days? Interesting question. So if you'd like to know how you can work smarter instead of harder, My Office Books would love to show you easy, smart online bookkeeping solutions that make bookkeeping fun. My name was Amanda from My Office Books, and I'm looking forward to being able to help you, whether it be just setup and training so that you can manage your own automated compliance, or we offer you also package deals, a fixed price fee, particularly for those who have rescue work of many years, whether it be you want it all managed for you, or maybe you just want me to check it over every quarter to make sure that you haven't missed anything on your BAS. You can call me on 0423 463 721 or email me at info@myofficebooks.com. Well, I hope to talk to you soon, and take care. Bye.